Today what we're going to look at is we're going to look at how to classify triangles not by looking at their sides anymore, but this time we want to classify them by their angles. And we're talking interior angles, so that's the angles inside the triangle. So the first one that we're going to introduce you to is what we call a right triangle. Right triangle simply means there's a right angle in it. And if you remember from our angles unit, right angles are 90 degrees. They make square corners. That's what you can think of as a right triangle. So I'm going to try my best here to draw a right angle. So you can see here, I tried my best here to make a square corner. So there's a 90-degree angle. And the last thing I'm going to do here is just make this a triangle. So there's our triangle. Because there's a square corner in it, because there's a right angle, this is considered a right triangle. Let's go to the second one. The second one simply means it's an obtuse triangle. And remember, obtuse angles were angles that were bigger than 90. And so what an obtuse triangle is, one of the interior angles is greater than 90. So it's actually an obtuse angle. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to draw an obtuse angle. So just a reminder, if I drew it like this, that would be 90. So I'm going to make it even bigger than 90. So I'm going to make it just like that. So here's my obtuse angle. And to make it a triangle, I'm just going to give it a third side. And you can see, here's my angle. This angle here is bigger than 90. Maybe I should mark that in red. So therefore, this is an obtuse triangle. Last one, acute angles. Just remember, acute angles were angles smaller than 90. So what's happening here is I'm going to draw a triangle. The first angle I'm going to make is going to be smaller than 90. And let's just finish it off by connecting the other side. This is smaller than 90. This is smaller than 90. This is smaller than 90. So therefore, this is considered an acute angle because every angle in it is smaller than 90. So this is how we classify triangles by angles. So now you should know how to classify triangles by their sides as well as how to classify triangles by their angles.